canopy assembly, support bracket, windshield assembly, connection components, product manual. Optional spare, see batteries. Battery connection wire, optional spare, charger, key. Tool, 2 travel switches, 2 inserted fuses, 4R, 3 inserted fuses, 2 5R. Install them on the machine. Open the battery box cover. Use the support rod assembly. Put down the batteries into the inner space of the solution tank. Pay attention to place them. Take apart the package of the power connection wires, and then connect them according to the wiring diagram. Notice the order of terminal installation. Cross the bolt into spring washer, plain washer, and then put the wires on the top of the battery terminal. After that, use the bolt to lock cable wire on the battery. Connect the anode of the cable wire to the anode of the battery. Connect the cathode of the cable wire to the cathode of the battery. Cut the nylon tie on both sides of the brush. Remote controller, starting button, setting button, unlocking button, locating button, horn button, direction switch, speed regulation switch. Rapid means fast, turtle means slow. Power gauge, controlling, vibrating switch, headlight switch, emergency stop button. Press this button to cut off the power. Hold the function stop. Twist it right to reset the machine. Left and right side brush handle. Lift down the handle to run the side brush. Lift up it to stop the side brush working. Acceleration pedal, 摆斧 pedal, roller brush handle. Hold it on at top position. The roller brushes sweep dust or some rubbish touch the ground. Hold it on at middle position. The roller brushes sweep leaves or some bulk rubbish. Hold it on at bottom position. The roller brush stops working. Sprinkling switch. Press it to start sprinkling water. Reset switch, protect motor. Add water into the solution inlet. Twist the emergency stop switch right. Press the starting button for twice. Lift down the 2 side brush handles. The side brushes begin spinning. The machine enters into the state of forward. Select key of the roller brush to run the roller brush. Press the sprinkling button to sprinkle water. Step on the accelerator pedal. The machine begins sweeping floor. Adjust traction speed according to the real sweeping condition. Turn on controlling motor to decrease flying ash. Step on the baffle pedal when the machine meets large rubbish in the process of working. Parking the controlling button for 5 sound. When the container is full, open the container clasp. Pull the container horizontally and turn it upside down. Observe whether the roller brush is winded by foreign objects. Clean the roller brush regularly to make sure that it is in normal use. Assemble the container well. When battery is running low, the machine needs to charge battery. In order to keep battery fully ventilation, open the battery box cover. Take out the charger plug. Connect the charging terminal with battery terminal. Then insert the charger into the power. After 10 hours, the machine is full power. The indicator light turns green.
Elerein